Hey guys, it's Mary, and I'm sad to say I'm here to show you the newest and the last of the auto ships for the, I don't remember what they call them, but they're the little inlays from Crafter's Companion. And the last two are the Soaring Dragonflies and the Laurel Leaves. And you know, I really enjoyed these. In fact, last time there was a leaf, and it was the autumn leaves, and I made all my Thanksgiving kind of cards for the seniors that I send to using that die. And it was nice and simple, and they turned out really pretty. So, so I'll show you the die, and then I'll show you what it looks like cut out. So this is the Laurel Leaves, and it cuts out this pattern here. And then the dragonfly, which when I bought these and signed up for the auto ship, the dragonfly was one of the ones that I was most interested in. And of course it was the last shipment. So the dragonfly, look at how cute that is. Looks like this. This one's upside down. And then cuts out like that. And now when I did the leaves for the senior cards, I had autumn colors behind. So some of the cards had like an orange leaves. Some had, you know, a darker color, you know, all the different colors of when the trees change. But I'm thinking with these dragonflies, I have the hologram paper. And so when you know, move it, it changes color. So I think whenever I use this one, I'll use a darker front, and then use the hologram behind it. But I really like this one. I think they were called cascading dies. So anyway, so I'm sad that this is the last one, but I think it's been going on for, I don't know, there must have been 6 auto ships, I think, of them. I'm pretty sure. So all good things must come to an end. So let me know in comments if you had signed up for these, if you've been getting the auto ships all this time, and which one was your favorite. I haven't cut this one except for a trial. But I know that, you know, they had balloons and butterflies and a lot of cute ones. So, and like I said, they're fairly easy to make a quick card with. So anyway, so leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. So this is it for this one. No more. My last of the Anna Griffin flower shop is coming. So that's the last of that one too. So, all right, so that's it. So if you haven't subscribed yet, you can hit that subscribe button. And if you hit that bell, it'll send you notifications when there's a new video to watch. I would love to have you as a subscriber. Also, you can hit that like button That's a really important one for YouTubers. So if you like the video, please hit that button. And there's also a share button now, so that it makes it easy for you if you want to share a video with a friend. So, all right, so that's it for this time. Until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.